Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your credit score with Bank of America. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to bankofamerica.com. Once you're here, we need to log in. So put in your user ID in this field and then your password and click log in. Then once you're logged in, where it says search, type in free FICO score and then click on to suggested results, and then from here click on view your FICO score. Like you said, you need to be logged in to view this. Enrollment is free and won't impact your credit score. Once enrolled, navigate to the FICO score section to view your current score, see the key factors affecting it and track changes over time. So I'm just going to give you some information, additional information. So your FICO score is updated monthly and is based on the data from TransUnion. Viewing your score through the Bank of America does not negatively impact your credit score. You can also access your score via the Bank of America mobile banking app by logging in and selecting the FICO score feature inside the app.